Once upon a time, on the vibrant island of Jamaica, there lived a young man named Chime. Unlike anyone else, Chime was born with extraordinary powers that seemed to shimmer as brightly as the Caribbean sun. His skin glowed with a golden hue when he used his abilities, and his eyes sparkled with the energy of the ocean waves. Chime's powers were unique. He could manipulate sound waves and light. With a whisper he could create thunderstorms, and with a shout he could illuminate the darkest night. But what made him truly special was his heart. He used his gifts to protect his island home from threats both seen and unseen. One day, a mysterious dark cloud appeared over Jamaica, threatening to unleash a storm that could destroy everything. The sky roared with thunder, and the waves grew wild. The people were frightened, but Chime knew he had to act. He climbed to the highest hill, took a deep breath, and summoned all his power. Chime unleashed a mighty sound wave that echoed across the island, a powerful, harmonious hum that calmed the storm. At the same time, he sent beams of light into the clouds, breaking them apart and dispersing the dark menace. The storm dissolved, and the sun shone through the clearing sky, illuminating the island once more. From that day on, the people of Jamaica called him Chime, the guardian of the island. His bravery and powers became a legend, inspiring everyone to believe in the magic of their homeland and the hero within each of us. And so, Chime's story echoed through generations, a reminder that even in the face of darkness, the light of courage and hope can shine brightest. And that, my friend, is the story of Chime, Jamaica's hero whose voice and light saved the day.